Today video, I will say for you guys how to send message for anyone in Twitter. So in here, I have when I want to send message or anyone in Twitter, I need to find them and send message to them. So it is today I will say for you guys delete the other way to make it. Here is the MKT software about our Twitter software with the many fashion. But today I will share for you guys how to send message for anyone. Firstly, we need to scan data first. If you want to send message for anyone, we need to scan anyone you want to send message. If you want, you need to scan first with the scan function. Or demo, I have any egg link in here. Oh, to control on your account, make some setting. After that, we can start right now. Hopefully, if you want to send message for anyone, we need to clearly that we have who you want to send, like anyone in anyone follower. That's not white. Am I? What's it? Oh, what you can see here is the follower of any Twitter account. Big one. So if you want to send message to them, just import the on the radar to the Excel file and get the personal page link. After you get the personal page link, you can come to a viral marketing with the same message. You can import on the Twitter in here and make some content in the content management line. Firstly, we need to make like a mess. With them, we make the message tools on and export. With the export, you can configure with the board. I put your information of your message into here, like this. Yeah. So just say article. Yeah. And after you get the content, it can come to viral marketing card. Make some configuration into here. So, here is the number you want to send. Okay, so you can choose you can send to your follower, and you can also send message to your follower, or import the lead. You can pop the lead into your folder more. I want to send message to me with my account into here and paste it into the software and save it. So with some configuration, you can select the ports. Here is the content of the message I want to send. Just save it. You can see here. So if you want to send with the same message, choose the allow message with duplicate port. After everything is done, we can start right now. So you can see here on our software, automatically log into your account and find on the account you want to send message here. Over there, and you can see that on the screen right now. Yeah, all the account will find me. So actually you can scan in from all information in here. Just import it file into the Excel file. Yeah. So if you want to send message for anyone, just copy on the Twitter. On the Twitter account, you just import it like this and commit to the way. It's a viral marketing. You can with some setting like this, you can send a message for anyone. In here, you can hit on the link of the Twitter. You just scan into here and save it. So after everything is done, we can start right now. So you want to hit it. to you guys is somewhere with many mention. Just add me with information in the bio. Thank you everyone for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.